sun is shining, the weather is absolutely unreal, and today I'm here with the hard shoulder to find out if the people of Dublin think that we should get a day off work when the weather is this good. And I also want to know if they've ever taken it upon themselves to skive off work and have a cheeky day in the sun. Have you ever looked outside and seen that the sun is shining, it's beautiful, and decided to call in sick or mitch off work with a little excuse?
Yeah.
We actually left a lecture about 2 months ago to go play golf when it was warm outside.
And did you have any guilt about it, or were you loving your life?
No, absolutely not. Lecture was rubbish. Golf was way better.
No, I have never done that because I'm too studious and diligent, so I can't do it. But I might sneak an odd hour here and there.
Yeah.
You caught me running back from the shops.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, yeah. If it's a nice weather coming up, then I'll take the day off and go do something.
I did. When I got to school, I was just sitting in a classroom and I didn't want that, so I did say I'm sick and went to a park with a friend.
And did you feel guilty, or were you like, I'm living my best life?
I'm living my best life, yeah.
We're all retired, so we've all got a day off.
Oh, nice. If the sun is shining, the weather's unreal, should you get a day off work or off college?
100,000% yeah.
We need vitamin D. A lot of us have vitamin deficiency, so it makes sense.
I'm a medical student, so for my profession, it should be might be a bit difficult, but in other professions you can have it.
100%. And as an employer, I think it's really important when we know that the forecast is going to be good for at least 5 or 6 days, which we do know for the next few weeks. I think employers should be a bit lenient, yeah.
Obviously, it'd be so good to have more days off to enjoy the weather.
That'd be great. I'd like it. Working in a park instead of working.
We would love to hear from you. Do you think we deserve more time off when the weather is this good? And have you ever skived off work to enjoy the sun? Let us know in the comments below.